Hi guys, what's up? This is your girl Selena, and I have to give a special shout out to my country boy, cousin Nathan.
Soldier, what is the mission? To deliver coffee to Kountry Boi, sir, yes sir. And now that you're aware of your mission, commence. Sir, yes sir. Alright everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi, you see me? Yeah man. Just I done one little class right now, so yeah. So why mission now? So the mission is on a bright sunny day like this, yeah man, you see it? Yeah, whole weekend and everything rain and fall, yeah man. So the mission is big up to my super fan Kountry Boi.
Hi friend, Kountry Boi. Greetings from Germany. Look at this one.
Yeah man, him I'm a super fan. So yeah, big up to my German super fan, Kountry Boi, yeah. And you know something about the general, him love coffee, you see me? So here what me I go do. Me I go head to the supermarket and me just I go buy a 500 gram bag of coffee, put it in a little package and thing, and then me I go mail it off to Germany. So guess what? Today you can call Kountry Boi the delivery man. So yeah man, meet you all at the supermarket. I'll be showcasing all the different type of coffee and stuff. And yeah, anybody who want me to mail any Jamaican original Blue Mountain coffee after, you know, just let me know, and yeah man, me do it for you know, for a cost. Alright, meet you at the supermarket. Welcome to Champion Supermarket, you see me? So yeah man, one of the nicest little Chinese people supermarket about the place. Yeah man. Alright peeps, so I'm looking for the coffee aisle. I'm searching all over, and then in the meantime I'm just picking up some stuff. But yeah, when I find it, you will definitely know for sure man. have to kind of put in some energy back in my body with some peanut punch, you see me? Anyways, I'm gonna have my coffee. Coffee straight from Blue Mountain, straight from Jamaica, straight to Germany. Alright peeps, so I'm currently at the post office now, gonna see if I can mail it out, but first I'm gonna check my mailbox. Look like me get couple mail, but yeah, it don't look like a for me, but a people who me know. Alright everybody, so I done mail off Kountry Boi coffee, and apparently COVID is affecting everything, like just the process, the normal process that I would send it through is not available again, they say, because of COVID. So I had to send it through fast track, which is a little bit more expensive, but you know, I did it anyways here, there across the main road. So yeah man, so yeah, that should be it. So peeps, this is original Kountry Boi, the delivery boy today, mailing out coffee. So if you like my video, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe as me cross this road, isn't it? So look more. Peace. Oh crap, it's still a record. Oopsie.